Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best of the best in kitchen gadgets. Today, we're reviewing the PriorityChef Large 15 ounces Potato Ricer. Hands down one of the best potato ricers you can find in the market today. If you love mashed potatoes, baby food, or even pureed vegetables, then this is the perfect tool to add to your kitchen. Let's talk about why this ricer stands out. First off, it's made from heavy-duty stainless steel, which means it's built to last. No rust, no wear and tear. Just solid construction that can handle all your mashing needs for years to come. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, this ricer will give you perfectly smooth, fluffy mashed potatoes every single time. The PriorityChef ricer comes with a large, deep 15 ounces basket that holds more potatoes than your average ricer, which means you can mash a larger batch in one go. This is a big time saver for family dinners or when you're cooking for a crowd. The ricer's 3mm holes allow for finer, smoother mashed potatoes, creating the perfect texture that's hard to achieve with other mashing tools. Another great feature is the long, cushioned handles. They're made from silicone, so they're comfortable to grip, even when you're pressing down hard. No more sore arms or struggling with leverage. You can mash, rice, and mill with ease, getting that perfect consistency without the effort. And when you're done, cleanup is a breeze. The ricer is dishwasher safe and crafted from rust-proof materials, so you don't have to worry about food residue getting stuck or the tool degrading over time. Just rinse it off, or place it in the dishwasher, and you're good to go. This ricer is not just for potatoes, though. It's versatile enough to handle soft veggies like carrots, yams, turnips, and even make baby food. The possibilities are endless. Whether you're mashing potatoes for your favorite recipe, prepping baby food, or looking for an easy way to puree vegetables, this ricer has you covered. So, if you're looking for a high-quality, easy-to-use, and durable potato ricer, the PriorityChef Large 15 ounces Potato Ricer is an excellent choice. It combines comfort, efficiency, and versatility all in one sleek, stainless steel package. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews right here on Product Critique. See you next time.